Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamp to Watch. Now what we have here is a couple of unboxing of coins that I won in an auction recently, and we'll see what they are. Alright, let's start with this one. It's nicely wrapped. Okay, so we have this one. Start with this. Another one inside, but we'll do this one first. So this one is I think it's a token. Okay, here we go. I think this is an old token from Australia. It says Victoria 1862, and we can see an emo, I think, on the middle, and it's a copper coin, and it says Collins something below. It's a big one. I think it's around 34 millimeters. We can see Victoria 1862 in Bino Veritas. It's an old token from Australia. There's something else inside. So this one, any more? No more. Alright, this is the other one that I bought. I know it's, exciting one. So this one is a New Zealand. Here we go. Oh yeah, very nice. It's a silver coin. It's the 10th British Commonwealth Games that was held in Christchurch, and it is a $1 coin. It's a proof coin. Oh, here we go. Oh, 1974, Queen Elizabeth, New Zealand. It's a silver, 925 sterling silver. Oh, it's the date on the side as well. See, Christchurch. January 2 February 1974, Christchurch. Oh, January 24th of January to the 2nd of February 1974. I shouldn't be holding it like this, but it's fine, it's all good. Silver coin, very nice, lovely. They made only 18,000 of this, and as I believe that 8,000 are like this, just a single one with a case, and the other ones are a complete set, the 10,000. So yeah, big coin. It's a very big coin, so nice one. And this one, see this one. A workmate of mine asked me, "Oh, do you have a script? Like in making videos?" Actually, I don't have a script, and yeah, I just open it and see what's inside and say what I want to say, or maybe yes, something like that. I don't have a script, just and I'm also not an influencer or something like that. I just show you different coins that are collectibles, that are rare, that are that like an investment as well, and also to show you the different coins we have around the world that that I have. So like yeah, this one. See? So I have yeah, that one and another one. You see? I bought two of these. I saw it online, and I know it's it's getting rare. It's the same one as the other one. So I have two now. But I mean, it's only 8,000 of these that are in the single box like this or case, and 10,000 is the other 10,000 of the 18,000 that were made is in a complete set. So I have two of the single one. See, very nice. 925 silver. Let's see, nice one, eh? Right, and we have this one to open now. So we'll see what this one. So I bought this one in an auction as well, along with that coin in the case, and so yeah, there's a lot of them, and it's good it have see. So I see what's all in there, and these are nice coins, nice collectibles from all over the world actually. So yeah, we got all the different varieties of this coin. I think there are 24. There's 24 of them, and we'll see what this. We'll start with this one first. So it's Bina Lira. So it's where's this one from? It's from Turkey. Turkey year 2000. Where is it here? Turkey 2000. Oh, yep, over here. Up on top. Up on top. This one. This is an old coin. Oh, Queen Victoria. Wow, okay. And this is from 1887, parting. So this is a UK coin. And it's an old one, very old one. See Queen Victoria. And now we have King George V, and this is from India. It's 1913. Okay, where is it? India, 1913. Oh, 19. Yes, India, 1913. Wow, old one. And this one is King George VI. It's from Hong Kong, and it's from 1951. Where is it? 1951, Hong Kong. Don't find it. I can find it here. Oh, it's not written. All right. So this nice one as well. It's Isle of Man, and it's 1992. See Queen Elizabeth. Oh, yep. Here we go. And this one is King George V. It's Australia, 1919. It's an old one from Australia. So where is it? Oh, here we go. It's up on top. This is a New Zealand coin. This is a commemorative coin for depicting the Anzac Day commemoration, 2012. See the lovely flower there, eh? Very nice. Okay, 2018. This one is a Cook Island, I believe. Yes, $1, 1973. It's a big coin. See the edge is weighted. Cook Island, 1973. This one, Luxembourg. It's 50 francs, 1988. 1988 Luxembourg. Oh, here we go. And this one, Curacao. It's 1944. 1 cent. Right over here. This one, Rhodesia, 1970. And this one is now, this country is now called Zimbabwe. So, right, here we go. This is a 5-cent coin from Barbados. I don't have much coin from Barbados. I don't know, just I think that's the second one, and that's a nice one as well. So this one is a 5-cent from Netherlands, and it's from 1941, I think. Yes, see the date below. 19. I see the date below. Bit up above is 19, below is 41. Right. What else? Banco Central Reserva del Peru. So this is a Peruvian coin from 1971. It's a nice one. Nice one. Where's Peru? Here we go. 1971. Right. This one is from Portugal, and it's from the 1900. It's Portugal or Brazil? I think it's Brazil. 100 race. And it's from the 1900. Old one, eh? 122 years old already. This one, Norway, I think. 1 krone. And it is seeking happen. It's a nice one. And this is from 1940. Here we go. So now this one is from Germany. 10 penny. We can see A below. I think this is the Berlin Mint. I think, not 100% sure, but yeah, I think it is from the Berlin Mint. And this one is an old one. It's a wartime coin. See the swastika below the eagle. 1940. It's from the German Empire. We have here with your penny from the US, and it's from old one, eh? From 1939. Nice. We still have a few more, eh? Just a few more. Oh, this one. It's like a square coin, and this one is King Edward VII. King and Emperor. And this is an old coin from Ceylon from 1910. Ceylon is now called Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, yeah. I have workmates from Sri Lanka, and yeah, they're surprised when I told them, oh, I have old coins and old stamp from your country, which is the old Ceylon. They were very surprised. Alright, now this one, it's a nice one. Don't know what this though. First time I've seen this. So Netherlands Indies coin, 1945. Netherlands Indies coin, or Dutch Indies. I think it's, yeah, it is 1945, but it is first time I've seen this actually. First time I have this coin. Nice. This one, by the looks of it, is Morocco. It's Moroccan coin. Yes, it is Morocco, 100 francs, and it is from 1953. Yep, cool. Well, here we go. 1953 Morocco. Looks like silver, but I'm not sure. So this one is Wanlu, Romania, I think. Yes, it is Romania. 1941, Romania. Old one. Nice. So this one Anna. It's from India. Old coin from India, 1935. Look. Wow, nice one. And it's King George V. Wow, I think this is my first one from 1935, and it's one Anna. Very nice. This one, Barbados. This one is I think this one is Egypt. Egypt, yeah, I think so. It says it's 1910 to 1914. So this one, King George VI. Yeah, that's the Hong Kong one. Just don't find it on the name. Maybe it's a preview or something. I'll just put it there, so we can see it's a lot of them. See, so and this one and this one. Oh, forgot about the big one, the old one. This one, the token. So there you go. Yeah, that's the new addition to my collection. I hope you enjoyed it, or even like, I hope you've seen something new from the coins that I showed you. And apart from that, but wish you all well and keep safe. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day. See you next time. Bye. Just like to add, pardon the fingernails. We've been working in the yard lately, so and too excited to open these lovely coins. So then again, yeah. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.